What's up, Math 8? Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Math with Mullins. Today is lesson 7.1, Graphing Linear Equations, day 3, where we'll look at horizontal and vertical lines. First thing we want to know is the difference between horizontal and vertical lines. So horizontal lines, you're always given the y value. That's when you have like y is equal to 2 or y is equal to negative 5. And that's going to be a left to right line for horizontal. Vertical lines, you're always given the x values. That's like x is equal to 1 or x is equal to negative 5 over 3. And vertical lines are up and down. So if you've got your notes, you're going to copy this down. If you need to, you can pause the video. Otherwise, we'll keep going with some examples. So for this one, whenever you're given your y value, you're going to find negative 3 on the y-axis. So that's what I would do first is I'm going to go down here. Negative 3 on the y-axis would be here. And then I would draw my horizontal line going from left and right just to highlight that negative 3. Next up, I have x is equal to 2. Again, I would find x-axis where it's equal to 2, which would be to the right 2. And this one would create a vertical line. So I'm just going to highlight my x is equal to 2 vertical line. Here are some that you can try on your own. So we're going to pause the video here, try this when you're on your own, and when you're ready to check it, go ahead and click play. So x is equal to negative 4 means I'm going to find negative 4 on the x-axis, and then that vertical line should be up and down. And then our final example here, y is equal to negative 1.5. Again, pause the video here, try this one on your own, and when you're ready to check it, click play. So y is equal to negative 1.5 should end up right in between negative 1 and negative 2. And this one is going to create that horizontal line. Okay. On the back of your notes page, you also have some word problems. The first one talks about a tropical storm where here is your wind speed. Y is equal to 2x plus 66, where x is the number of hours after the storm enters the Gulf of Mexico. We're going to graph this equation after we find out this one. It says, when does a storm become a hurricane? To be a hurricane, wind speeds must be at least 74 miles per hour. So that would mean your y is equal to 74, and 2x plus 66 is what we're going to solve for. First thing I'm going to do is subtract 66 from both sides. And I'm going to get, borrowing. I'm going to get 8 equals 2x. So x is equal to 4. So after 4 hours, it would be a hurricane. And then to graph it, I'm just going to take my x-axis to be hours. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my y value would be my miles per hour. So we can just do this by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 4 hours was 74, so that would be up here. And then as I decrease, I'm just decreasing here. 0 hours would be 66. So this would be one connection you can make from 0 up until my 4 hours. Okay? And then our final example here, you have $500 in your savings account and plan to deposit $25 each month. Graph a linear equation that represents the balance in your account. So that linear equation should be y is equal to 25x plus 500. So after 7 months, I'd just be multiplying 25 by 7 and then adding 500, or 175 plus 500, which gives me 675. So 675 in 7 months. Hang tight, I'm recording. So that graphed on here. Again, these are all positive numbers. That's why I'm just doing my quadrant. We'd have months here on the x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, $700 would be your money amount. So 675 for 7 months, that's right 7, up 675. And then 0 months would just be starting at 500. So we're going to climb this way, okay? That'll be our conclusion for our notes today. So hopefully this video helped you. Make sure you tune in next time when we talk about using slope for graphing. Have a great day.